it's Kara again, and I am so excited about this video. We are going to be doing the Dollar Tree Christmas Junk Journal Challenge, and this year I'm super excited. DearJulieJulie, that's her YouTube name, and I are going to team up for this challenge, and we've made a Facebook page just for the challenge. I have the information right here, so I wouldn't forget. So, our Facebook page is called, if you want to join, it's the Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge Facebook group. And if, let's say you don't make videos, but you would like to participate in the Dollar Store Challenge, you can join this Facebook group and just add pictures throughout the challenge. So that would be one way, if you're not a video maker, to also participate. So the challenge, if you didn't participate last year, what it is you're going to get $15 worth of items, or 15 items. Last year it was strictly Dollar Tree. This year we're opening it up to like the Target Dollar Spot, Dollar General, any 99 or dollar store that you have in your area, and 15 items, so $15 or thereabouts, you know, depending if you're in Canada or something. And you're going to use those supplies to make a junk journal. We're also opening it up so to have a variety. So if you didn't want to just do a junk journal with a book, so a hardcover, if you want to do a soft cover or a flip book or an envelope journal or a flow journal, I mean, you can, anything in the realm of journals, traveler's notebook, just to also give some more variety. So what you want to do is in the comments below, tell me you're interested in the challenge, and I will add you to the Facebook group. And then also for the challenge, if you are on Instagram, if you do hashtag DSCJJC, which is Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge, all the pictures that you add to Instagram will go to that hashtag, and we can kind of keep, you know, a look, and everyone that's participating can kind of see everything you're making, which is super fun. And then the other exciting thing, which I haven't done, that Julie's done in her challenges, is there's going to be a watch party in January. This is something I'm new to, so I'm super excited. But Facebook, the different social media areas have a way that you can watch videos as a group. So in January, after the holidays, we're going to get together and we're going to sit back, have some popcorn, and we can watch each other's videos. How fun is that? So cool. And then we're also going to offer prizes. I will have a separate video on the prizes that I'm offering. And then also make sure to like and subscribe DearJulieJulie's YouTube page, because she's also offering other prizes for the challenge. Okay, that was a lot of information. I will also have it all linked below. Okay, so let's talk about the requirements. I kind of jumped into it. 15 items purchased from a Dollar Tree-like store. The things that are not included in those 15 items, sorry, you can use your scissors, glue, that includes like Mod Podge, Fabri-Tac, any kinds of glue, your binding tools, so you're all, and if you have other string, so any binding tools. Things that aren't included in that are things like your distress inks, which is going to be hard for me because I was really hoping to use them, but you could do the shoe polish thing like I did last year if you want to add it to your 15 items. Again, post pictures in the Facebook group, make videos on your YouTube channel, and then when you're part of the Facebook group, let us know your YouTube channel so we can all watch, and then we'll make a playlist. If you are making videos, we would love to see your unboxing, kind of like what I'm going to do next, and then of course your final journal flip through. Okay, so again, I'll have the information linked below, but let me show you my 15 items. And I remembered one thing that I'd like to go get, which I don't have. So I kind of have 13 to 14 items. All right, so this is a gigantic gift bag, and I'm thinking that this is going to be my cover. And then I'm going to use the other extra parts like this in here. Oh man, I can't even get it open. For tags and things, but I'm going to use this because I figure it would make a pretty decent sized cover. So I'm making a soft cover journal, and then I also like that I have this ribbon and a tag here. So this is one, that's my cover. I'll get to these in a second. All right, and then the other thing, I used a hardcover book last year, and I'm tossing this in. Comment below if you think I'm cheating if I toss this in plus my 15. If so, I'll just take something out. But I kind of wanted to use some book pages in the journal. So let's count that as 2. And then since binding is included, I might not use this for binding, but I wasn't sure what our rules were going to be. So I bought this originally for binding. This might just be used in tags. So 3. And then I found these super cool key tags. I've been messing around for other projects. It only has 8, but aren't they cool? They're red and green. So 3 paper clips, 4 a coloring book for some pages, 5 these really cool vintage tags. I was thinking I could even fussy cut, and there's 2 layers, so I could use both parts. What is that, 6? I have some treat bags that are super cute that I could have if I fold it in, and they could be little tuck spots. 5, 6, we'll double check. 7, 8, more tags. This glitter paper, 9, 10, and then I have different ribbons, 11, 12, and 13. So the things that I was saying, hey, I'll set aside. These 2 books were from last year to add some pages to my book so that it's not all coloring. Now, the one thing that I was wanting to go back and get is the Dollar Tree. They have the lace. So I might swap one of these out for the lace. But let's just double check. Thought I was dropping things. Let me just double check that that's the right amount. So my bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I would have to take a couple things out if I were to use the book pages. But there are my 15 items. And the other thing I think, I'm pretty sure Julie and I are going to do in the Facebook group and probably on our YouTube channel is do some DIY videos showing you or giving you other ideas of ways you can use the materials for the journal you're making. So, you know, we all make paper clip embellishments, but I make a couple with the things that I have, tags, snippets, that kind of stuff. So there it is. Again, the Facebook group is Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. Any items from any kind of dollar store, hashtag DSCJJC, that's a mouthful, and I really hope that you join us. It's going to be really fun. So comment below if you are interested in this challenge. You have through Christmas, which is kind of nice, so from Thanksgiving to after Christmas, and we'll check out everyone's videos in January. All right, I hope all of this made sense. Comment below if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see what you make. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.